Here's my goldfinch feeder. I made it from an old bottle, a big bottle. I got a drill and I got a 6mm drill bit, and I drilled holes all over it, and I put some barbecue sticks in for purchase. Now the handle of the bottle was not strong enough to hold the seed up, so I put a wire cord on it and tied it to it and put it to hold it up. And the seed is called Nider seed. You get it in the pack shop, and you clean it down once a week with a warm clean cloth to keep it hygienely clean for the goldfinches so they don't get any diseases, and you might get red pole on it too. Goldfinches are as happy as Larry on it. Right, thank you very much. This is Brendan Connolly. Hope you like my goldfinch feeder. Thank you.